Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Hope you all are well. So we were to make a battery alarm application using Python, and for this we designed the user interface in the last session of this tutorial, and there was a little demo of the project in the starting of that video. If you didn't watch that video, I will suggest you please watch that first and then come here, and that video link will be in my description box. Please click that. Okay, so this is our GUI that we have designed the last session. So what does this application does is, actually I described this one in the first part, but I repeat once again here. So when you set all these values, upper range and lower range, and after that you click this set button and minimize the window, it will run and it will play alarm. Okay, it will play alarm when your battery percentage value is greater than upper range value and your PC is plugged in. It will say disconnect your charger, and when your battery life is beyond the value set to the lower range and your system is not plugged in, it will say low battery and connect charger. And all these things should happen by clicking this set button. Okay, means you just have to activate your application clicking this button. Okay, so we will call a function by clicking this button, and that function will work accordingly for that. So first we have to develop this function, we have to put logic in that function, we have to define that function, that how that function should work. Okay, so for this let's start editing our code. Here is our button. So command, in the command we will pass that function name set alert. Now we have to define this function. Okay, def set alert, and what does this function do? This function will access system battery percentage, and it will play alarm accordingly. Okay, so to play with the battery we have to import a library that is util. Okay, now follow the code that I'm writing here. Okay, तो हमने यहाँ पे कोड पे क्या किया कि पहले इंपोर्ट कर लिए हैं PS util को। उसके बाद हम जो एंट्री बॉक्स डिज़ाइन किए थे अपना यूज़र इंटरफेस पे, वहाँ पे 2 एंट्री बॉक्स था, वन upper range and another one lower range, and those were stored in a variable called e1 and e2. So if we want to access the value of those entry boxes, we have to use this .get method. Okay, so using e1.get and e2.get, we access those values, and they are string type data, so we have to cast them into integer, and after that we store them in variable called a and b. After that we run a while loop. While loop means while true means here infinity loop, because we have to keep an eye on this battery life, on this system percentage. Okay, so this four lines of script will continuously access the battery percent and work accordingly. So psutil.sensors battery percent, this line returns the battery percentage. Okay, if you run this line now, battery dot 78, it returns 78, and 78 you can see that your battery is 78%. Okay, so this is used to return the battery percentage, and this returns the status of your connection, that if your system is connected to charger or not. If plugged in, then it returns true. If not plugged in, then it returns false, like this. Okay, so now I define a condition that if the value of A is lesser than or equal to that current battery percentage, and if my laptop or PC is plugged in, then it says that battery is full. And when the lower range value is greater than the current battery life, and my connection status is false, means my PC is not plugged in, then it will say low battery, please connect your charger, like that. So this is the logic, very simple, that we need to make this application. Okay, so now let's run and check. So when we run this, we will set all these values. Okay, so upper range, so currently my battery percentage is 81%, and if I want to ring an alarm when my battery is at 81%, then I will set upper range as 81. When this battery percentage will go 81 to 82, 83 and so on, it will ring alarm continuously. Okay, and lower range set as 20, and I will click this set button, and please listen what it's saying.
Battery fully charged, please disconnect the charger. 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 Battery fully charged, please disconnect the charger.
You can see that it stopped saying that battery fully charged, disconnect your charger. Again, if I plugged in my
battery fully charged, please disconnect the charger. Battery fully charged, please disconnect the charger.
Okay, so in this manner it's working. Same case for the lower range also. Suppose when you set lower range as 20 and your battery percentage goes beyond 20, 19, 18, and your system is not plugged in, it will say that low battery, please connect your charger. Okay. So thank you for watching this video. Hope you like this. Stay safe, stay happy.